Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Samsung Wallet step by step clearly. To set up Samsung Wallet, start by unlocking your Samsung device. Locate and open the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Search for Samsung Wallet in the search bar. Download and install the Samsung Wallet app if it's not already installed. Once installed, open the Samsung Wallet app from your app drawer. You may be prompted to sign in with your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the account setup. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. To add a payment method, tap on Add Card or Add Payment Method. Follow the prompts to either scan your card or enter the card details manually. Select the type of card you are adding, such as credit or debit. Verify your card through the bank's verification process. You may need to enter a one-time code sent to your phone or email. After verification, your card will be added to Samsung Wallet. To add loyalty or membership cards, select Add Loyalty Card on the home screen. Choose a retailer from the list or scan the barcode of your card. Follow the prompts to complete the addition of your loyalty card. You can also add gift cards by selecting the Add Gift Card option. Enter the necessary details or scan the gift card barcode. To set up digital passes, tap Add Pass and follow the on-screen instructions. To manage your cards and passes, navigate to the main screen of the app. You can rearrange the order of the cards by dragging them to your desired position. To secure your wallet, set up a screen lock if you haven't done so already. You can access additional settings by tapping on the menu icon in the top corner. Here, you can manage notifications, security options, and payment preferences. Once everything is set up, test making a payment at a supported terminal. Open Samsung Wallet and select the card you wish to use. Hold your phone near the terminal to complete the transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.